Okay, so today's the day. Everybody right now should have a couple things in front of you. You should be sitting with a group of 3 or 4, no more than 4. Everybody's going to have a job in the group. You first have to pick one person to kind of keep track of the 4 locations you're looking for in the escape room. You also should have iPads in front of you. The iPads have already been loaded with the escape room website. So if you click them, everybody can have one in front of them so everybody can see the activities and get the clues. The question at the top, can you find all 4 locations and be the sole survivor in this reading comprehension battle? We're going to scroll down a little bit here just so that you can see. The first thing that you're going to come to is a timer. We're not even going to worry about that, honestly, because I put a timer in that was for 45 minutes and we don't have that long this period. You're going to have today and Monday to do this. So if you don't find all 4 locations by Monday, then you're just stuck in the Fortnite escape room forever, and I'll have to call your parents and let them know you can't come home because you're in Fortnite. So when we come down a little bit here, you're going to see your first direction. Now, I'm only allotting 1 hint per group. And it's not really a competition between groups. You just want to be the ones to escape. So, again, I don't know a lot, so if forgive me, but there's links embedded and all sorts of fun stuff. So, you're going to go down to where it says start here. Now, without revealing too much, you're going to get your first clue of how to get to the first activity that will reveal location number 1. I would nominate someone from the group to read this first thing up here, and then you'll all have it on your screen, so maybe whoever has the paper in front of them can kind of keep track. It's a decoding exercise. So what do you notice here? You're paying close attention to underlined and red words, right? Where to go. This page you want to keep up at all times because doc in which you'll enter your 4 locations is on here. So other browser tabs will come up at the top, but you want to keep this one up in front of you the whole time. There's some Morse code things in here. You're going to have to find a couple of pictures in a hidden picture. Hopefully this looks Fortnite-ish. They'll open to articles, debate pieces, and informational texts that will ask you to answer some comprehension stuff in order to get your clues. At the very bottom, one of the things that you'll see, there was a puzzle here, but because I did it earlier, you can't see it on my screen, but you should be able to see it on yours. Here's the map. I don't know what season it's from, but it's a Fortnite map that you're going to have to find a location. I won't tell you, you have to find it through a clue. So, again, you have the period today, 4 locations, somebody's a writer, somebody's a reader, and you all need to work together to answer the question so that this makes sense. You get 1 hint per period, so make sure you're checking in with everybody in your group before you come to me for your hint. Good luck!